Meanwhile, the issue of jobs is playing out in a big manner in the Uttar Pradesh election campaign. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath claiming that his government has provided 4.5 lakh jobs in the state. The opposition saying the Chief Minister is lying.
The Lucknow police breaking up this protest by student groups demanding jobs and accountability for a recent paper leak that affected 20 lakh aspirants after the cancellation of a major UP exam to recruit 50,000 government teachers. We are on the streets of Lucknow right now, very close to the Vidhan Sabha. This group of people was trying to march to the Vidhan Sabha to carry out a protest against what they call rising unemployment. The police have stopped them here. All of these people being pushed into police vehicles and being detained and not being allowed to march to the Vidhan Sabha.
हमारे लिए तो रोजगार ही सबसे बड़ा मुद्दा है, क्योंकि हमारे सामने ना कुछ दिख रहा है, सिर्फ अंधेरा ही अंधेरा दिख रहा है। सर हम लोग 26-27 साल की एज हो गई है सर, अभी तक हम लोग सिर्फ पेपर की तैयारियां कर रहे हैं।
Unemployment in India's most populous state is a major campaign issue for the opposition just ahead of the election.
Abhinandan, Vandan.
Chief Minister Adityanath claims his government has given 4.5 lakh jobs during its 5-year term.
उत्तर प्रदेश में शिक्षा के लिए, विकास के लिए, युवाओं के लिए, गरीबों के लिए उनके पास कोई एजेंडा न होने के कारण उन्होंने इस ओर अपेक्षित ध्यान नहीं दिया और यही कारण था। यहां पर कहीं पलायन होता था, कहीं दंगे होते थे, कहीं पर अराजकता चरम पर थी।
ये झूठ दमदार बोलते हैं, झूठ दमदार। ये दमदार सरकार ने वादा किया था कि नहीं किया था नौकरी और रोजगार का, लेकिन दमदार सरकार के तो 4.5 साल पूरे हो गए। 4.5 साल में हमारे बुंदेलखंड के नौजवानों को नौकरी रोजगार से पीछे छोड़ दिया। कोई नौकरी रोजगार का सपना नहीं देख सकता।
Many BJP supporters have claimed on social media that data from the independent think tank CMIE shows UP's unemployment rate is down from 17.5% in 2017 when Adityanath came to power to 4.2% right now. But CMIE's data actually shows the unemployment rate among ages 25 to 29 years almost doubled in 4 years, from 7.9% between January to April 2017 to 13.34% between May to August 2021. And even pre-pandemic, Uttar Pradesh's unemployment rate went from 3.8% just before the BJP came to power to 8.5% at the end of 2019, when Adityanath was midway through his term. Politics apart, the big challenge for UP's netas: how to ensure promises of more jobs actually work out on the ground. In Lucknow with camera person Vineet Verma, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.